Hi guys, this is Rowan aka the Human Voice Box, and today I'm bringing you more free sound effects that you guys can use on your films. This sound effect is going to be a newborn baby sound effect. So if you're doing a film where a baby is coming out of a lady's then you can use this free sound effect for that happening. So I'll play it now. Life will be nothing but pain for you from now